Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to disable the Auto Night Mode feature on the Telegram app for PC. If you've noticed your Telegram suddenly switching between light mode and dark mode depending on the time of day, that's because Auto Night Mode is turned on by default. For many users, this can be a bit distracting or unnecessary, so let's go step by step to turn it off completely. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it loads, look towards the top left-hand corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This is the menu button, and it's where all your main options are located. Click on those 3 lines to open the side menu. Next, from the list of options, select Settings. This is where you'll find all of the customization features Telegram offers. Inside Settings, look for the option called Chat Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Now, here's the key part. Within Chat Settings, you'll be able to see an option labeled Auto Night Mode. This feature automatically switches your app into dark mode during evening hours, or based on your screen brightness. If you don't want Telegram changing themes on its own, simply click on Auto Night Mode and toggle it off. Once you disable it, your app will remain in whichever theme you've chosen, whether that's light mode or dark mode, without automatically changing. This gives you full control over your appearance preferences and makes the app consistent every time you open it. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled Auto Night Mode on Telegram for PC. It only takes a few clicks, but it makes a big difference if you prefer sticking to one theme all the time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to explore other customization options inside the chat settings, because Telegram offers a lot of flexibility when it comes to personalizing your experience. Thanks for watching.